Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a digital product with AI. So I will be showing you at these three platforms or sites right here, ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad. So to start, you can use ChatGPT to pick a profitable idea. So with the help of ChatGPT, it will generate you good digital product types. For example, ebooks, online, template, prompt, printables, stock content, and more. So let's just say we will be focusing on ebooks. Okay, so we will be creating this digital product with AI using Canva, using ChatGPT, and also we will be selling this to Google. So first, we will be using our profitable idea that is ebook. Okay, now for designs and products, you can use Canva for that. So take note that for ebook courses, you can use ChatGPT to outline chapters, write content, and simplify complex ideas. So for design, we can use Canva. Now, what we're going to do next is we will be asking a sample idea or outline chapters for this specific niche. So let's just say we will be creating an ebook outline about budgeting for beginners. So you need to copy this one and then open ChatGPT again. Then you can type create an ebook online about budgeting for beginners, and it will show you this one. So here is the title, Budgeting for Beginners with chapters. Now you can also ask ChatGPT to generate idea for each chapter. So basically you can type here generate idea for each chapter, something like that. Press enter and then it will show you the idea per chapter. And all you have to do is to copy this and then paste it to your Canva. So once that we have here our ebook or idea for our ebook, which is budgeting for beginners, then we can now proceed to Canva for design. So for Canva, all you have to do is to create an account. Okay, sign up an account using your Google account, email, and password. And then you have to look for create a design. So here, what we're going to do is we have to look for ebook. You can choose from any of this here, but I will be using the ebook size and ratio. So I'm going to type ebook. We have here ebook cover and the size. So we will be just adding pages here. So for the ebook cover, you can just go to templates and then search for marketing or budgeting template. And all you have to do is to press enter. So let me correct this one. This is budgeting. Press enter, and then what you're going to do next is you just have to select that specific template that you want to use. Well, you can change this one later. There are tons of templates in Canva. Let's just say this one right here. So here you can change the name, for example, Andrea Wright, and then you have to copy the title and then paste it there in Canva. You can change everything here. So I also suggest for you to upgrade your Canva into Pro to unlock more features and elements. So paste it right here and then adjust. So you can delete unnecessary elements. Adjust this one, change the font style, font size, font color, everything is up to you. You can also change the background color if it doesn't fit. So this is what it looks like. Now for the picture, you can go to elements and then search for any picture related to budgeting. Press enter. Then you should see here pictures. You can go to graphics or photos. So for me this time, I'm going to use photos and then drag the photo that you like here. And this is what it looks like. You can change that one later if you want. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay. So I have here the budget, change the color or the background color, and then tap on add page to start with your chapters. So here you just have to click add page right here and then change the background color if you want, add picture or graphics, add text, and then here you can start adding your chapters. So add text, go back to ChatGPT, copy and then paste, for example, introduction, copy introduction, paste it right here. You can also change the font color later if you want. And then go back again and then copy the introduction and then paste it right here. So in Canva, you can add effects. Okay, you can change effects. And again, you can change the font color if you want. So paste it right here, adjust. Okay, adjust the font style, font size. You can resize this one right here. And then again, you can change the color and then you can change the font style if you want. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And then you can also change the picture if you want or photo if you want. And this is a sample. I know that you can do better than this. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm going to change the color. Okay, tap this one. And then tap add page again. You can change again the background color and then add the picture right here. If you don't want pictures, you can also add elements. So same thing, just tap on the graphics and then you can add graphics right here. Okay. And then after that, tap on the text. You can tap on the text and then go back to ChatGPT, copy. For example, we will be starting with the chapter 1. So chapter 1, understanding your money, copy, and then go back to Canva and then paste this one right here. Resize, change the font color if you want, and then add it right here and the rest. So basically what you're going to do is just keep doing the same thing. Tap on add page, click elements for photos and graphics, tap on text for adding the chapter, and then that's it. So once you have created or once you are finished with your ebook, like if you have copied all of this and then change the elements and change the photos, then what you're going to do here is you have to simply share this or tap the share and then download this one as PDF. Okay. So let me add more. Actually, everything is up to you. You can add more pages if you want. You can design more. You can add elements, objects. Everything is up to you. Okay. So as you can see, I have changed here the element. I can also search for specific like income versus expense and to show me graphics about related to that. Okay. So just do for the rest of the following chapters right here. And then once done, again, you have to tap on the share and then tap on PDF. Now to sell this one, this AI product or product with the use of AI, you can go to Gumroad and create an account on Gumroad and then sell this. But first, you have to download this PDF and then go to Gumroad, create an account. If you have an account already, then what you're going to do is you have to look for products like me. I have an account already. So I have to look for new product or products, tap on new product, and then add the title right here, choose ebook, add your price, and then add more details of your ebook. And then after that, once you have published this, then the clients or customers can see this on your Gumroad account. And all they have to do is to buy this one right here. Then you can send them the link. And basically, that's it. So that's how easy it is to create digital product with AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.